Mr. Doan, an Asian American man who spoke very broken English, he and his entire family had a horrific fire loss. When going through the settlement process with their longtime insurance company, State Farm, found that State Farm was not being fair when it came to paying out what's called as actual cash value on personal property items that the insured elected not to replace. In these fire losses, probably about half of the personal property items we own are not replaced. People request actual cash value. And what State Farm did was it systematically, by using age-only methods, over-depreciated virtually all of Mr. Doan and his family's personal property. And what we discovered was that nowhere in the insurance policy would an insured have an understanding of what they were entitled to receive for non-replaced items in the context of insurance.
This was a very long and hard-fought battle, and it went on for about 10 years. In the end, a successful trial and a great settlement that not only helped the State Farm insureds, but also set a precedent that all the insurance companies now have to follow in the way they handle personal property.
The most gratifying aspect of the case was the day Brooks said, no, take a look at the forms they're using and what they're doing. And that really brought home to me the level of fraud systemically, how they had horrifically misrepresented the circumstances to their insureds, and how they were able to cheat their insureds in a way that caused the insureds to believe they were being treated fairly. It was really quite an elaborate plan of deception that was very lucrative for State Farm and very detrimental to the needs of these insureds.